Knowledge Bank. 1. Why do wolves use different holes to communicate with one another when hunting in packs?
Answer.
When hunting in packs, wolves use different holes to communicate with one another because echoes can distort communication. A wolf's howl is so unique that it does not produce an echo even when emitted in a valley. 2. Why do some birds have a wide field of vision?
Answer.
The eyes of most birds are on either sides of their heads, which allow them to see things on each side at the same time, including the front. This is called monocular vision, and it allows them to have a wide vision field. 3. What is called imprinting?
Answer.
Imprinting is known as any kind of phase-sensitive learning that is rapid. For example, a newborn duck takes on some of the characteristics of the first creature it sees. If the first thing they see is a human, they will think they are humans and grow up thinking the same. This is called imprinting. 4. Why does mint make your mouth feel cold?
Answer.
Mint contains peppermint, which has menthol. When menthol comes in contact with the surface inside our mouth, it absorbs the heat from the inside of mouth and vaporizes quickly, in turn cooling our mouth.
5. How did the pineapple get its name?
Answer.
The word pineapple was coined by European explorers who thought the fruit combined the looks of a pine cone and inside the fruit had a firm pulp like an apple.
So, combining the two, they called it pineapple.
6. Why does an octopus has 3 hearts?
Answer.
An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 of the hearts work exclusively to move blood beyond the animal's gills, while the third keeps circulation flowing through the organs. The third heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims. 7. Where does the term checkmate in chess come from?
Answer.
The term checkmate in chess comes from the Persian phrase Shah-mat, which means that the king is defeated. Mat in Persian means helpless or defeated. 8. What is the name of the English novel that has no verbs at all?
Answer.
Michael Denzel, a French doctor and author who hated verbs, wrote the novel named Le Train de Nulle Part, which means the train to nowhere. It has no verbs at all. 9. Who wrote the first dictionary of the English language?
Answer.
Samuel Johnson wrote the first dictionary of the English language. It was one of the most famous dictionaries in the history that was first published in 1755. The dictionary took just over 8 years to compile, required 6 helpers and listed 40,000 words. 10. Which words in English language have no rhyming words?
Answer.
A rhyme is a repetition of similar sounding words occurring at the end of lines in poem or songs, such as cat, bat, hat, fat, and rat. But there are no words that rhyme with words month, orange, silver, and purple.